Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how to fix Instagram not showing online. For example, you're using Instagram application and you're on DM means direct message having conversation with someone and you're unable to see whether the other person is online or not. So we can fix this issue. So first open Instagram. See, this is on Instagram, and if we go to the conversations, and if we open someone, and here at top, we usually see whether the other person is online or not. So, if that active status or the online status of others is not showing to you, then you can do two things. Actually, there are two reasons why you can't see other person is online or not. So the first thing is check whether your active status is off or not. So how to check? Okay, on your home screen click on the profile picture down here and click on the three bars at right top corner here and click on settings and privacy, and then come down to check messages and story replies. Click on this option and show activity status. Make sure this option is enabled. If this option is disabled, just you need to turn it on and do one thing. Just clear the Instagram once from the recent apps, and now open Instagram and check whether you can see the other person active status. So if the problem still persists, there is one more chance why you can't see active status. For example, the person your conversation with, the person with whom you're having the conversation with, maybe turned off this active status on their Instagram account. If they turned off this account means if they disable this active status option, in that case also you won't be able to see whether the other person is online or not. So these are the two possibilities. If your active status is disabled, just enable it on. If the other person disabled the active status, we cannot see the other person whether they are active or not. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.